Today I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about the stem rooted in nature. This is good for ants, roaches, and flies. You could spray this indoor or outdoor. It doesn't really have a scent, but I'm going to answer pretty much all the questions people have about this. So this is fine for pets, so you don't have to worry about that. That's actually one of the main reasons I actually got that. As you could tell, this is our kind of backyard over here. So there's lots of woods over here, lots of bugs. And the other day we had a lot of rain and there were ants everywhere. And we used this to get rid of them, and it was great. So one of the things with this, it's all natural oils and stuff like that. So you don't have to worry about any of that kind of stuff. You literally comes exactly like this, and you just put this in. You want to shake it well, just like that. And then it sprays out. You got to give it like a couple pumps right over here. Make sure that this is open, just like that. And then it goes, sprays just like that. You can see that mist. Yeah, you can see that mist. It just mists like that. Now, this will not take them out instantly. So that's something to know about this. It kind of gets in their system. And basically, for example, like a fly. If you hit a fly with this, it's literally just going to go down. And it's going to kind of like swim around or whatever. And then it's kind of over for them. But it's not on contact. Now, when you do spray this, it kind of smells like a citronella. So just note that. This is also, if you're looking, this is not for like prevention. This is pretty much, you see a fly, you see a gnat, you see mosquitoes, you spray them right away, and that's it. They'll fall down on the ground. There will be a little residue left. So just know that if you're inside, really important, if you spray this, make sure to wipe it up because the floor will get like a little slippery. So that's something to note about that. But this works really well. Like the fact we could use it with our dog and don't have to worry about that. So if you're looking to get rid of ants, roaches, flies, you're outside, you have a screen. We have a screen patio right over here. We're always shooting it through the screen door. Definitely check this out. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up.